Muscles are the basis for all of our movement, and right now clinically, we have very limited ways to assess that. We're capturing data about our heart rate, about our sleeping and our walking and all these different types of things, but we don't really get that data from the inside. I'm a professor of biomedical engineering. I've co-founded a company called Springbok Analytics. The technology essentially gives you this really holistic view of muscle health, just based on a very simple MRI scan. Where this all started was from a conversation with Dr. Mark Abel, a pediatric orthopedic surgeon. In his patients who have cerebral palsy, it's unclear which muscles are leading to the observed movement impairment. So what we've done is taken the MRI and eked out all this information. We started out doing that manually. It used to take about 50 hours to outline all those muscles. So you can imagine how tedious that was. So we pioneered the use of AI for image processing. So now that process takes as little as 20 minutes. We also realized that there's lots of other problems in which muscles are a part of it and we don't really know which ones. People that have knee pain, perhaps muscle imbalance, asymmetry, or weakness could be part of the pathology, looking at how certain muscle patterns might put somebody at more risk for injury. On the flip side, if you're an elite athlete and you really want to understand how to get your game to the next level, having some information about your particular muscles to target your strength and conditioning could be powerful.
It gives you a level of assessment of the muscle that we just never had before. The first case I ever used it on was eye-opening. This was a collegiate level lacrosse player recovering from a hip surgery. And what I found is we were missing things that we were seeing with Springbok Analytics. So it really allowed us in real time to have him make a change to his rehab. So we're reducing risk as he's back on the lacrosse field. There's not a current technology on the market that is anywhere near the power of Springbok Analytics. We're just seeing an explosion of use. The NFL, Major League Baseball, so many NBA teams, even Olympic level teams like USA Water Polo has utilized this technology for a few of their players. It's game changing, literally. I've been watching it become game changing over the last couple of years.
We give that level of detail that really nobody else does. UVA-LVG played a critical role in helping us move this technology out. The phase of going from, okay, this is a research thing, to saying, okay, we want to start this company. Before we go and present this to the world, we should see if we should disclose something. It really was important to do that because that established our intellectual property, the ownership of those really critical ideas that have formed the basis for this entire business. Whether you are recovering from an injury or you're dealing with a mobility problem or you're an NBA player, everybody cares about their movement and their function and their performance. And so we're here to help all of those and everywhere in between.